YouTube? You know, your boy, back with another video. And I see, you know, a few people is definitely liking the Traxxas Bandit, you know, RC car videos. So definitely shout out to y'all. Definitely shout out to the one person that commented saying he really likes the videos. Definitely more coming. But as you can see, we got some mods in. And this is the Anaconda wheels and rims for the Bandit front. As you can see, the part number 2479R if you guys wanted to order. But bam, here we go, guys. As you can see, good old traction. Of course, I'm gonna install them, but there's the car right there. That's the stock wheels it came with. As you can see by the tread. I mean, the tread's still pretty good, but definitely want that maximum grip. That's why I got the upgrades. So that's one thing that came in, guys. And one more thing, bam, we have a wheelie bar. You can see we got the part number 3678 for the Stampede, Rustler, and Bandit series. As you see, guys, nice little wheelie bar in the back. You know, it is a pretty quick little RC car, especially, you know, for the price point. But yeah, guys, let me get these bad boys installed, and yeah, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so to install the wheelie bar, you pretty much want to do is just remove these two screws, 1 and 2. You see it right there. Bam, that's what it looks like right from the back gearbox, you know. And then all you want to pretty much do is just slide the wheelie bar on. Let's see if I can do this one hand. Pretty much just slide the wheelie bar on. So it lines up, as you can see. I got to push it on a little bit more, but as you guys can see, it pretty much lines up like that. I'll just line it up perfectly and tighten them up, and yeah. Alright, guys, yes sir, as you can see, 2 screws fully in, and bam, we have the wheelie bar on. And the wheelie bar do come attached, you feel me, in between these 2 little grabber hooks. All you do is just pull down one of the tabs and pull it out, and here we go, guys. Wheelie bar is attached. Yes sir, yes sir. It's coming along. I really need them back wheels though. But I'm about to put the front wheels on and show you guys. But it's pretty much self-explanatory. The front wheels, just loosen that little nut right there with the tool that your car came with, and just pretty much swap them out. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Be real simple, guys. Like I say, you're gonna take your tool, loosen up your little thingy-bob, screw, nut, whatever you want to call it. Open. And take your wheel off. Just be careful that Just be careful that little peg right there. As you can see, if my dog get out the way, the little peg right there. Just when you grab your new wheel, you see that little slit right there. That's right where you line the little peg at. So move. So you see the peg is sideways. So we line that up sideways and put them on there. Kind of like snap down. That's how you know it's in the groove. Then you just want to put your screw back on, tighten them up, and we done. Yes sir. As you can see, guys, we got the brand new front wheels on, brand new Anaconda tires, better than the stock joints. As you can see, no real tread, just straight lines. Then we got some real tread. Got the front bumper and the wheelie bar. Yes sir. Lock them in different levels for real. This is the paper says, you know what each level does. Pause the video, but yes sir, guys. Guess I'll take them outside real quick and, you know, show you guys what's really good. Alright, guys, starting to wear out this piece, but family, they could be here too long, but let's just see what he's working with. Seems a little quick already. I know those new front tires ain't doing that. Sheesh. Uh-oh. You stuck, baby. definitely still need big tires, guys, but there, got the grip on the front at least. Sheesh. Once I get those new tires, new motor in, the wheelie bar definitely come in handy. But it's raining out here, guys, so till next time.